A train was traveling from town A to town D, stopping at town B and town C along the journey. At town B, 3/7 of the number of passengers alighted. The new passengers who boarded the train was half of those who alighted. The train proceeded to town C. At town C, half of the number of passengers alighted, but no passengers boarded the train. The number of passengers in the train was 408 fewer than the number of passengers in the train before it left town A. All passengers alighted at town D. How many passengers alighted at town D? So, according to this sentence, which is at town B, 3/7 of the number of passengers alighted. So the first thing we'll do is to draw the model for this. So we need to draw a model to show 7 units. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So out of these 7 units, 3 units actually alighted. So 3 units alighted. The next sentence says that the new passengers who boarded, was half of those who alighted. Since 3 units actually alighted, the new passengers that actually boarded should be half of this, so it will only be half. In order to make them equal, we need to cut all this blue model into half. So, which means that 3 small units actually boarded the train. So we can now combine these 2 models together to draw a fresh model. So it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 plus 3 units, which is 11. So there should be a total of 11 units when it left town B. Okay. So at town B, as it left the station, you will actually have a total of 11 units here. Okay. And this is at town A, which is the original. Okay, the next sentence says that the train proceeded to town C, and at town C, half of the number of passengers alighted, but no passengers boarded the train. So from 11 units, half of it must alight. So which means that I have to cut it further down, or I can actually simply do a times 2, which means that I'm going to have 22 small units. But if I'm going to cut this into all these orange models into 2 units, I'll have to actually cut the blue model into two units further, so as to make them equal. So what I can do is simply times 2 throughout. So I will have a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 times 2, which is 28 units. So half of the 22 units will actually alight. So half of 22 is actually equivalent to 11 units, which means that there will only be 11 units of the passengers left. Now the last sentence says that the number of passengers in the train was 408 fewer than the number of passengers in the train before it left town A. So when it was at town A, there was 28 units, but now there's only 11 units. So there's a difference of 28 units minus 11 units. That will give us 17 units, and this 17 units is equivalent to 408. So we need to find 1 unit, which is 408 divided by 17. That equals to 24. Now the final question is asking how many passengers alighted at town D. According to this second last sentence, it says that all the passengers alighted at town D. At town C, at town D, right? the number of passengers left was actually 11 units. So what we just need to do is to find out 11 units, which is 11 times 24, which gives us 264.